First things first, I'll be going in with my silver race primer, and I'm just going to smooth that all over my skin, and then I'll go in with my Ezekiel foundation in the shade 30. And I like this because it has the maximum coverage I like, and it's able to cover all my imperfections. So after blending that into my skin, y'all are going to see how even and transformed my skin looks. That is what I look for in a foundation. Now after I'm done blending it out, I'm going to use the P. Louise paint in the shade Raver. This is a cosmetic paint and it dries down in 60 seconds, so I like to use this for blush. And if you're using this or any matte liquid lipstick, you want to blend it quickly before it dries down and you're not able to move it. Afterwards, I'm going to go in with my concealer from Ezekiel Cosmetics. It is in the shade Nude. I'm just going to apply it in the points where I want to highlight, which is my under eye, my nose bridge, my forehead, my chin, and my cupid's bow. And I'll go back in and blend. I'm going to show you guys like the part of my sponge that I used to blend. It is not the part I use for foundation or concealer. That's why I like this particular sponge, because it has different corners and edges that you can use for different things. Next, we're going to set the skin using a loose setting powder, and I'm going to be using this shade 3 from Avon Cosmetics. And I'm just going to take little by little because it can be overbearing. So I'm just going to set all the places where I highlighted. Set, not bake, because I have dry skin, so I try to avoid a cakey look. Afterwards, I'm going to take my pressed powder and I'm going to smooth that all over like the outer perimeter of my face, which is exactly where I'm applying it right now. After I'm done applying there, I'll apply sides of my nose and my forehead, and then I'm going to take a light powder and set under my eyes. And I'm going to take this blush and set my blush as well. It's not like it needs the setting, but you know, extra. Next, I'm going to take this Beauty Line by Didi pencil and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. And actually, I made a video showing you guys and telling you what every makeup product is and what it is used for, because I found that a lot of people do not know what we refer to when we mention some things. So I really hope you guys can check that one out because it is a really helpful video. I'm currently using a brow gel to flatten down my brows and keep them in place before I go in and conceal. You can see how they look all brushed and prim and proper. And my favorite brush to conceal my brows is this round flat brush from my Kit Cool, because it does an amazing job. And then I'm just going to repeat the other look on my other eye. First, we're going to take our eyeshadow base from P. Louise and cancel out all the darkness on our lid, and those are the shades I'll be using: 2 browns, black, and a pink. So I'm just going to go in with transition first using this fluffy blending brush, and next I'm going to take the dense blending brush and pack on the dark brown on the outer eye corner and use my fluffy blending brush to blend it out again, because I want to give my eye more shape and make it look like it's bigger. So I'm going to mix these two bases and I'm going to give myself a pink base because I want my pink to really pop. And afterwards, I'm just going to blend it out and take some brown and smudge the end because you do not want any harsh lines whatsoever. Afterwards, I'm going to take the pink shade using this same dense blending brush and I'm going to pack it on, trying to blend as I'm going. And Nigeria showed me pepper while I was filming this video, but luckily the light was back. So I'm just going to blend and keep blending until I am satisfied with it. And next, I'm going to tight line my top and lower water lines before I go in with my liquid liner. You guys know I don't like a wing, so I'm just going to make a regular old liner, which is a little bit thick at the end, and then I'm going to smoke it out using some eyeshadow. I'm going to use black and then brown to blend out everything. Next, we apply some mascara to prepare the eyes for eyelashes, and then I'm going to take my false lashes and just apply some glue and pop them on. I like to fix it from the center fix the inner eye corner and then fix the outer eye corner. And you always want to make sure to go back and check that it is as close to the lash line as possible. Then I'm going to set my face and then I apply my highlighter. This is the method I like most because everything just sinks into my skin. Next, I'm going to take this lip pencil from Beauty Line by Didi. I am blotting to reduce the oiliness of my lips before I start doing my lips, and I'm just going to outline using the lip pencil. Then I'm going to make sure to blend it out because you blend out everything regardless of whether it is a pencil or a lipstick. So the pencil has a brush at the end and that's what I'm using. Next, I'm going to take these 3 lipsticks and I'm going to work some magic here. Use the brown first, and after I've done blending out the pencil with the brown, I'm going to take the nude and then I'm going to work that in the center of my lips as well. And then afterwards I'll take the pink and apply it to the very center of the lips, and then I'm just gonna blend out all the edges. And I wasn't satisfied. It was pretty, but I was not satisfied because I'm such a gloss girl. So I took some lip gloss from Jouer Cosmetics and I added that to my lips. That wasn't the only gloss I even used. After applying this, I took some clear gloss and popped it on top, and the blend is divine. It's divine. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the look, and before you go, just wait and subscribe below, and remember to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.